Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add service area in Google Business profile. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in google.com/business and then you see sign in button, so click on it and then you see business status, verification required and then you see verified and then you see pencil icon, edit business information. If you want, you can click on this. If you want, you can click directly and then you see multiple information, so click on edit profile and then pop up open and then you see multiple option, about, contact, location or more. So we are going to add service area, so click on location. Now you see location and areas and then scroll down, you see service area, pencil icon, so click on it and then you see message, let customer know where your business provide deliveries or services. Selected service area we added, so you can add more and then you see search area, so you can add location according to your requirement like this. Now you see drop down, now select, now you see selected service area we added new location, so you can add multiple location and then click on save. So in this way you can add multiple location in service area. Now you see we have two location. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.